Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Tech. In this video we are going to see the top animation apps for Android and iOS. Let's get started. On number 3. Tweencraft. Tweencraft is an application that enables users to create animated videos. Users have to record a story, idea, or a joke, and the application turns it into a cartoony voice. The videos made on the platform can be shared on third-party apps like Share on YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and more. No need to learn drawing and animation. To create animation videos using Tweencraft Cartoon Animation app, you just have to select characters and record dialogues, and animate using your finger touch movements. It's complete cartoon video maker editor app to create small cartoon movies. Number 2. We have FlipAClip. If you're looking to create some cartoon animation, then FlipAClip is a great choice for a free animation app that has all the perks of a modern animation technology, but still has an old-school feel. You can add further effects to your animations with an overlay grid. Animate your dreams and bring them to life. FlipAClip's video animation tools make frame-by-frame animation fun and easy. Make art with our growing community of animators and artists. Create a cartoon, make movie animations, and design unique and exciting animations every day. On number 1. We have Tentastic 3D. Tentastic is a digital storytelling tool that teaches kids how to organize and present story ideas through cartoons. They animate these items by moving them around the screen while speaking a narrative that's recorded by the iPad's built-in microphone. Tentastic is a wonderful creative outlet for kids to express themselves through a variety of art forms rolled into one package. The app is very well designed even for preschoolers to be able to use. There are plenty of characters and settings to use in the collection that comes preset with the app,